Hi guys, today we are going to open the little live pets. So the bird that I got, its name is Polypoplin. I love it. So we have different names on the back. Let's see. We have Bubble Pop, Rocky Rockin', Ricky, Steep, Sweet Harmony, Dancing Danny, Polypoplin, Disco, Daisy, Belle, Rena, Cage, Funky Feathers Cage. His name is Polypoplin. So we have something written on the back. The more you pet, the more I sing. And one more thing, I record your voice and say it back. 30 bird calls. So I'm so excited to open this up. So let's start opening it up. Okay, so this is our bird. And we got some instructions. So let's remove our bird. It's so funny. So this is the instruction book. Let's open it up. Now this bird has started. We have put some cells. I read in this that if we touch her in the back, she'll start tweeting. Now it tweeted. Let's try. It sings 30 songs, and if we touch here, it will start singing. And if we press this button and I love you, bird. She has become my pet bird, so I'm going to give it a name. I can give it Poppy. So this will be my pet and I'm going to keep it. Everyone will learn this love this in Dholakpur, and especially my friends Chhota Bheem, Raju, Jaggu and Dholu Bolu. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.